So now I'll say it's 1, 2, 3, Lego. Okay, so what is the speed? So distance is, so this time is, what is the time? 7.91. So you can note down the time. And what is the distance? Can you measure the distance? Yeah, from there.
So should I upgrade my robot?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do we have to note that down?
Yes. What is the distance? Keep it straight. No, if you keep straight, you will get precise value. Keep it straight. Okay. Yeah. So then, how much? What is the?
It's 175.
175. Okay. So you can note down it as 175 centimeters.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you find the speed now? Everyone, take your books. So this is the code which you have done, right? To make the robot move. So can you explain how did you calculate it?
Speed, distance, time. What is it?
We used the distance at the time and then we divided distance with time and we got the answer.
Okay.